Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to see the location of your sheets in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application here right now. I'm currently signed into my freshly created brand new account, which I created only for these videos. Let's choose a sheet which we want to examine and find the location of it. I'm going to choose this one with the title No. You can choose your own, of course. Click on these three dots right next to it. Here you want to scroll all the way down until you see a thing called Details and Activity. Click on that. And here you can see in the first row the right side of your screen called a title called Location, and as you can see mine is saved in my drive, but if you have yours saved anywhere else it will show here. Okay guys, thanks for listening, see you in the next one.